Is this thing on? Hello, 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 hello.
Welcome to today's video.
It's gonna be really exciting.
Really exciting. We're talking quiet because this mic is delicate.
Yeah, you can't break the mic.
We forgot a real mic, so
Yeah. We're gonna go cliff jumping today.
a little bit of cliff jumping for old time's sake. Anyway, today we are back out here in Arizona.
Yes,
Travis's last day in AZ, so we figured we had to do a good old-fashioned day of cliff jumping. And we got an 85-foot bridge set up. We got a bunch of cliffs. I think we're gonna warm up on a 50-footer.
Yeah.
Yeah, 50-foot cliff, and then yeah, we're just gonna get as many jumps as we can today. Stay tuned. End of the video, I'm going to announce how you can win some GoPros. I'm going to do a merch giveaway. Buy some merch. That'll enter you to win, and I'll tell you the details later on. So stay tuned for that. Let's get rowdy, dude.
Let's do it, baby. Let's go.
Maybe triples, maybe some 85-foot triples. I don't know. I don't wanna promise anything yet. If I'm feeling good, dude, but I figured if I'm gonna do it, I gotta do it big. Is this your home?
This is my humble abode. You wanna come in?
I wanna get rescued from you.
Yeah, come on in, baby. Everyone's like, how many people have died in there? And I'm like, I don't know, how many people have been saved? Huh?
Lots of both, probably.
Yeah, probably. Time to send, baby.
It's hard to find a good cliff here. I mean, there's a lot of them, but we want the best of the best.
Chase just wants a really sketchy, awkward clip, and he's mad because they're all perfect.
Yeah. It's pretty big. You just don't want to mess up.
Don't trip.
Don't do that.
Yeah. Is this how you find your? Could you find mine for me?
Big ass gap. Those are my favorite cliff jumps of all time. Big running, huge gaps. I think we're ready for the 85-foot bridge. I'm feeling a little nervous about a triple, so we'll see. I'll do the double, hopefully. See how I feel. If everything goes right, if everything feels right, triple. There it is, middle of nowhere. I don't really know why it's even here, but it's scary. So narrow.
So fat, dude.
It's not even that high, it's just narrow.
Dude, this is high for me, bro.
$84 feet. All right, I think we're getting ready to go. I'm unusually scared. It's been a while since I've done a big jump. It's not that big, but big enough to get my heart racing. And it's like a precision jump. You have to angle it perfectly so you don't hit the canyon walls, which is what makes it so scary.
You got it.
I got it. intense. I'm not feeling the triple. I'm not feeling the triple. I'm scared, man. I got one good impact today. My booty hole is not feeling too good. I'm just gonna cut it there.
That was so sick, dude.
Oh my gosh, dude.
That was awesome.
That was great.
That was insane.
All right, so back by popular demand, there's a cliff jumping video for you guys. It's just one day worth of shots, but we had a blast. So thank you guys so much for watching. So we're real excited for this giveaway. We're giving away a brand new Hero 10 from GoPro, $500 value. And also I will be following your Instagram page personally, where you can DM me, chat me up, whatever. Also, signed hat. And I will be shouting out the winner on my Instagram story with your name and your Instagram handle on June 1st. To enter to win, all you gotta do is buy some merch from my shop, send me the order confirmation in my DMs on Instagram, and I will be selecting one winner at random. So good luck. See you June 1st. Thanks again for watching. Merch links are down in the description below. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.